Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have owner or designer permissions. Without them, you can't create a library. Once confirmed, open the site and go to Site Contents. Click plus New and choose Document Library, name it clearly and add a concise description. Make sure to select the modern experience unless you need classic features. After creating, set basic library settings like versioning and who can view or edit files. This prevents immediate permission issues and keeps content organized. Next, you add columns to capture metadata that helps search and filtering. Create choice, person, date, and single-line text columns for consistent tagging. Once columns exist, build custom views. Filter by status, group by department, sort by modified date, and show only needed columns. Save each view for specific audiences. Then enable versioning and required fields so users supply critical metadata. If you need multiple templates, enable content types and add them. This organizes files and makes retrieval fast. Finish by configuring sharing and automation. Decide whether to inherit site permissions or set unique library permissions. Use Share for guest access carefully. Add Power Automate flows for approvals, create alerts for changes, and apply retention policies if required. Test uploading, editing, and syncing with OneDrive to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and view settings, then confirm versioning and content types. For sync errors, restart the OneDrive client and resync the library. These steps close the loop and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.